Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and your love on my videos. I want to share most decent pattern handmade design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing hand embroidery designs. So viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. Handmade embroidery neat designs make your best dress ideas with handworks. It's the sense of creation themed up with making something beautiful with your own hand that makes embroidery such a beautiful craft. So viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. This handmade pattern are having to all fabulous design from easy. This embroidery design can be as simple or elaborate as you want. All collection these unique designs for use on your dress. Most of the pattern below use simple beginner friendly stitches like the single handmade stitches. I hope you enjoy this collection of handmade embroidery patterns. If you like to crochet handmade embroidery pattern, check out the embroidery handmade designs. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more updated decent patterns. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. So viewers, share this video to your friend and family members. So friends, be connected with me and remember, me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.